We have confirmation on the latest shipment.
RFID tags match. Weight verified, origin SCZ9. Integrating the IRST sensor requires extreme precision.
The current cutting plane secures the process A dome.
Yes, but the B detector array yield could be higher if we utilize this section of the crystal.
The germanium crystal block travels along the high-speed automated track toward the heavy grinding section. This is phase
tracking the germanium material for the IRST detector array, process B. The material is transported in nitrogen-purged containers toward the ultra-clean room facility.
The thermal specifications look good, and the allocation split is correct.
Agreed. Let's initiate the pre-processing phases.
Even at this rough shaping stage, the machine maintains sub-micron accuracy, closely monitored by the technicians.
Check the alignment right here on the curvature.
Looks consistent. We are good for integration.
Inside this beam epitaxy machine, precise beams of atoms are directed.
The blackbody source illuminates the detector array. Our software analyzes the response of every single pixel, compensating for minute variations in sensitivity.
All systems nominal. The cryocooler maintains stability throughout the vibration envelope. We have full confirmation on mechanical robustness.
The high-speed laser engraver applies the final serial number and specification codes.
The infrared search and track sensor integration requires precise alignment. This passive detection system is critical for the stealth platform.
Confirmation successful. The serial number matches the integration schedule.
We use the ruggedized tablet to verify the schematics. Every wire must be secured according to the
IRST system reports green across the board. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. The detector array is fully operational.
All stations, confirm green status for rollout.
Bravo team confirms. Clear to proceed. Alignment holding steady.
IRST system check, process B array, operational temperature achieved, optic dome passive data ready, initiating self-test sequence, test complete, system nominal.
Installed in the nose section, the infrared search and track sensor requires precise alignment. The ground crew performed
Process B targeting successful, lock confirmed.
As you can see here, the Process B array achieved passive detection at maximum range.
Confirmed. The fidelity on this thermal signature is exceptional.
IRST active. Process B detector array is scanning the sector and processing thermal data. System checks are complete.
Data link is solid. Process B track files are streaming nominal.
Confirmed. C2 network shows full integration.
The Process B integration is flawless. We have high-resolution thermal data for distant targeting and reconnaissance.
Launch sequence initiated. Weapon away, infrared.
Despite the heavy moisture, the internal Process B detector array continues to track a distant thermal source. Confirm.
As the Raptor pulls hard, the Process B detector array, manufactured with high-precision bonding, withstands the extreme G-force.
Mission successful. The Process B integration worked perfectly.
Excellent work, Commander. A significant achievement.
The F-22 Raptor touches down, its integrated IRST system having successfully guided the mission, demonstrating the